Theatre of the Oppressed steps on the idea of developing reaction and intervention impulses against all types of oppression. Theatre of the Oppressed opens the possibility for dialogue by turning the spectators into spectators, able to step in at any point and influence the way the play is evolving. Here, one group from country A can do scenes with local problems, share those with other groups and get proposals for solutions or changes, considered from a different perspective, played out as a drama piece and video recorded. The idea behind this activity would be not to find the one and only best solution to a certain problem, but to demonstrate the different perspectives people might have and to showcase a multitude of potential outcomes, all delivered via asynchronous offline activities, including preparing and recording the problems and the responses, shared and discussed during synchronous online sessions. The second form of theatre, verbatim, gives a voice to those who lack confidence to speak and brings to light stories that are harder to share. Verbatim can include activities with recording one's stories and sharing those with another person, allowing them the opportunity to tell them as if they are theirs. Verbatim theatre is theatre created from real people's words. Technologies and ideas have advanced so much that we can even consider and carry out successfully a synchronous form of digital verbatim, in which participants grouped in breakout rooms in Zoom, for example, in groups of 3 people, have their time in their separate rooms to share personal stories, choose one of the 3, ask further questions for obtaining details on the selected story, and then, in the full group, each of the 3 present the chosen story as if it were their own. The remaining audience members should be challenged to guess who the story really belonged to.